Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a 200 Pro aluminum MIG welder. Are you ready to take your welding game to the next level? Introducing the 200 Pro aluminum MIG welder with pulse, a true 7-in-1 powerhouse designed for precision, power, and versatility. Whether you're a professional fabricator, a DIY enthusiast, or a beginner, this welder has everything you need. This multi-process welder handles gas MIG, pulse MIG for smooth, spatter-free welds, gasless flux core, no gas, no problem, MMA, stick welding, for heavy-duty jobs, lift TIG, precise, clean welds, spot welding, for those delicate projects, spool gun compatibility, perfect for aluminum welding. And the best part? It's dual voltage, 110V and 220V, so you can weld anywhere, anytime. Let's put it to the test. Watch how smooth the pulse MIG function runs, reducing spatter and creating flawless welds. And check out the high-definition LED display, intuitive, user-friendly, and packed with smart settings for perfect results every time. Aluminum MIG welding with Plus can offer fast, high-quality, low spatter, and consistently great-looking welds than other MIG welder, making aluminum welding easier. From thin sheet metal to thick steel plates, this machine does it all. No need for multiple welders, just one tool for every job. Synergic or manual control. When you're selecting wire diameter and gas material, the welder will automatically match recommended current and wire feed speed. So, it's very easy for beginners. Also, if you are an experienced welder, you can choose MIG manual control to adjust the welding current according to your personal welding habit. So, if you want precision, power, and performance, the 200 Pro aluminum MIG welder with pulse is your ultimate welding companion. Get yours today and experience the future of welding. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.